Hey everyone, my name is David Dunbar, or the Theme Park Evangelist. I'm here at Disney Springs. For what reason it smells funny over here? Could be my raincoat for all I know. I brought it because it's supposed to pour tonight. It hasn't yet, but that doesn't mean that it can't. So, of course, yesterday when you saw me last, I was doing my Epcot Resorts Christmas decorations vlog, which of course I accidentally had to do in two parts due to the fact that I actually pressed the stop button or something along those lines when I was over by the basketball hoop game on the Boardwalk Resort. Or just at the Boardwalk Resort. Anyhow, so I don't want to stay over here too long because they're playing music and it's probably going to get my vlog written up for copyright. Though, not that I don't like the music, but I just don't want copyright written all over my vlog. So anyway, so as you can see, I parked over at this end of the orange garage, and they already got Christmas decorations all the way down here. And even on Splitsville, which is really cool. And I know you guys already know that the parking garages system does not work. I mean, we've had these parking garages for a few years now, and it's becoming quite evident that the technology does not work, and I think a lot of people know that. But just so everybody knows, if it says full outside, don't always believe it, because the system, for whatever reason, doesn't register on the outside. But if you go inside and if you go down any of the rows that says like 4 or whatever, you're always guaranteed to find something. Most of the time, the rows that show a number of parking spaces usually does have something. Sometimes not even that works. Crazy, right? So anyhow, so of course before I started vlogging, I was having issues. I want to help some friends out, take their shifts away, and I also have the hours. Here's the funny thing though. I can't take anything too late because it'll put me in double back. Basically, double back is when you're being paid the entire time that you're working, and then when you're on your way home, you're also being paid, and then until you get clocked in the next morning, and you're still being paid for that too. And then you get like no sleep at all. So it's like, why even bother going home at that point? A lot of people stare at me weird because it's not normal to see a YouTuber talking to their phone. Sorry guys, every video camera I've tried to use doesn't work or ends up breaking apart on me after a while. So of course I decided to start out on this end because not only am I going to show you guys the Christmas decorations, I'm going to show you the construction update. So from the last time I was here, we do have some improvement going on with the NBA experience, and that's going on as well. Of course, that picture has not changed a bit. Kind of already showed you guys that. It kind of looks like it has started to take more shape and all that good stuff, but otherwise I don't really see any improvement. Oh, here's a fun fact for you guys. A few nights ago, One Republic was here at the House of Blues. And if I had known, I would have came out here just to see them because I'm a huge fan. Oh well, you live and you learn. My brother didn't know until the last minute. He was the one that told me, actually. So of course, I also like to come over here and show you guys the construction update going on this new restaurant that is replacing a former restaurant that used to be a set-down version of one that's over in Village Marketplace. Can't remember the name offhand, but over here at Jaleo by Jose Andres, it looks like even this place is starting to take more shape. I like the side that's like completely all red, and then we even got some type of window. I can't tell if it's real or fake, or not, but that's all coming in. It looks like the walls are starting to come more out this way and become taller.
Rain is old.
And also, I do need to go back out to Universal Orlando Resort. I know it's been a little while since I've been out there. Actually, I'm trying to think, what's the date? Oh, it's the 14th. So, of course, my SeaWorld vlog is next Monday, my very first one ever. And that will be my 1 month. Well, I should say at that point it would have been exactly a month since I was at Universal Orlando Resort last. So obviously I do need to go back. But I've been also doing a lot of vlogs that I haven't done in quite some time. Like yesterday was a brand new vlog, so that was worth it. This one I hadn't done in months. So this one was overdue. Next week, next Friday, if I can't get an extension at work, then I'm going to go over to Epcot. Unless, of course, I go to Epcot on Tuesday instead. It just depends on my mood. I'm planning on going over to Epcot and showing everybody all the Christmas decorations that they have, and that's something I have to show you guys before Christmas week, which is literally the week after next. So we're very close to Christmas. We're actually 11 days away. It's right around the corner. The crowds have definitely intensified, since then. Either I'm walking too close to people or they're walking too close to me. Just as I was saying, the crowds have intensified. You know, holding the camera right like this may give all of you a better view of me. It hurts so much. So I'm not actually sure what is going on over here by the food trucks at the moment, but there are some reindeer, and then there's a huge group of people standing outside, and there's some people talking to this audience over here. I don't know if they're going to do the drone show right now. I don't know if it already happened for the night or if they're about to do it, but I'm going to keep walking for now. And also there's a lot of Christmas decorations that I've accidentally walked past on this side. Now you guys might have seen it, even though I've had the camera pointing this way. Now we're going to turn it the other way and give this arm a break. And now you guys can see the Christmas decorations on the other side instead. And it looks like even Starbucks has a bunch of Christmas decorations as well. I've also got to learn to hold my phone steady at something when I'm talking about it, because sometimes when I'm vlogging something and I'm talking about it, I don't hold it as long as I'm supposed to. And then you guys are like, what? I didn't really see it. And I'm like, yeah, I really should be working on that, shouldn't I? Now that I'm coming into the newer section, well, not the newest section, but one of the newer sections. I also see they have a bunch of Christmas decorations out, so now that I'm holding the camera in front of me for a minute, I'm just letting you guys kind of see the same Christmas decorations that I'm seeing. They kind of have them strung all the way down, and I think I remember what these things are called. They're called Christmas garland or something like that. How I forgot that is beyond me. Disney Springs definitely went all out when it comes to Christmas. I'm actually kind of excited to see what Village Marketplace has, because I've heard that if you really want to see some really cool Christmas decorations, that's the place to go. Now I know that you're probably thinking, David, you're crazy to be here with all these crowds. Well, I've been dealing with this for 25 years. This don't bother me at all. I'm used to it. You know what actually does bother me is traffic. What doesn't bother me is walking through a heavy, intensified park or shopping district. That's nothing. Because I actually find it easier to walk through heavy crowds than it is for me to sit in a car for a good solid hour, especially if I have to use the restroom. At least right now, if I have to use the restroom, which I do actually, I could easily pull over and go use it. Versus in the car, you can't really do that, especially when you're sitting in traffic. It's kind of annoying. So of course, you guys probably all know about that band that usually performs over here by the Boathouse. They're always performing something Disney related. Sometimes they're even performing non-Disney related stuff, but they're always very good. So it took me about a minute to figure it out, but they were playing What a Wonderful World by Louis Armstrong. It's really good. What are they playing? I was trying to figure out, like, oh, okay, I got it now. So I am leaving the news section right now, and I'm heading into Village Marketplace. This will be the real test to see how the Christmas decorations look. And of course, if you want to know where the Christmas tree is here at Disney Springs, well, you're going to go into the newest section, which I will be going into in just a little bit, because my goal is to leave around 8-ish. I mean, I got here a little late because I ate at Arby's a little longer than I expected. I did say on my Facebook page that I would eat at Arby's. By the way, I tried this place out last time. The ice cream is so good. In fact, that pumpkin ice cream was a little too good. Like, it tasted like canned pumpkin. It was kind of gross. That's the best way to put it. Alright guys, welcome to the busiest section of Disney Springs Village Marketplace, starting with the Lego store. Of course, this is the only Lego store on Disney property. Unless, of course, you want to go all the way out to Legoland, which is out in near me. And that's the only other place I know that has a Lego store. I don't even think Universal has anything Lego related near them. So, unless, of course, you probably go to the Mall of Millennia, which I don't think I've ever been to. I have been to the Starbucks. Usually, if I'm in a hurry, I'll go there. Otherwise, I really don't have a reason to go there. And of course, right in front of me is a World of Disney with a bunch of Christmas decorations. That is actually really gorgeous, and I'm going to take a picture of that. So, of course, the World of Disney did just reopen to the public within the past month or two. I'm doing this pose right, and I'm holding the camera in front of me and the Lego store. Sorry, the World of Disney. I'm not even tired today, I just don't always think. Because this is like really pretty. Anyhow, so it is completely expanded. It's like 20 or 30% bigger than it was in the past. So on my way out, I'll have to go inside and see how much bigger it has gotten. Because I can see that all that has officially come back. Because before, that wasn't even there. Alright, let's see what kind of frappuccinos that Starbucks has over here. If you guys can read that. Let me try zooming in a little bit more. Alright, so I'm going to try to hold this steady, but the mistletoe frappuccino is basically a green tea with peppermint syrup. A candy cane frappuccino, I've actually had that before. It is really, really good. I would definitely recommend it. The snowball frappuccino is a white mocha with hazelnut and toffee nut syrup and caramel drizzle. That actually looks really good. Fruitcake frappuccino, I don't know about that one, but it's strawberry cream. Whoops, sorry. With a banana, blueberries, and raspberry syrup. The melted snowman frappuccino, vanilla bean, with a birthday cake pop blended in top with mocha and caramel drizzle. So of course, there's always something on over here all of the time. Not necessarily always a band. And of course they got Christmas decorations up. But they've always got something going on over here. And of course they got more Christmas decorations over here as well. On this entrance into World of Disney as well. So let's back up a little bit without actually hitting anybody. That's really cool too. So, anyway, So back to the Starbucks thing. Basically, Disney is very well known for doing themed Starbucks Frappuccinos in celebration of the season, or maybe even the holiday coming around the corner. And of course, the candy cane Frappuccino is definitely by far one of my favorite ones to get here at Disney. Oh, we got some toy soldiers standing out here greeting guests. So just to give them space, I am going to go around. And one of their assistants has Stitch in a Santa outfit. That's really cute. And of course, Stitch, as usual, is up there greeting guests. And I believe that food truck has always been there, right behind the toy soldiers. That's kind of cool. And let's go into Gerda Deli and see what kind of chocolate sample they're giving out. I bet it's the peppermint one, my personal favorite.
I am so smart. It's the peppermint chocolate.
So as you guys can see behind me, you have more Christmas decorations on the Gerda Deli. And even right over here. This side's really good. Usually, the Food and Wine Festival is really good about giving everybody $1 off coupons on their Sundays. I always forget about it because usually I can use my Blue ID and get me like 20% off. And usually I would rather go to Starbucks over there. Not that it's not good, it's just my preference. Of course, Market Co-op, if you want to have any like really cool phone cases or bags, this would be your place to go. And they've got it all decked out as well. And they usually put all these Christmas lights all over these trees. Of course, they're always twinkling. I always forget what's over here. Oh, that's right, Dockside Margaritas. It's really good, I've heard. And they got all this Christmas lights over there, and I gotta watch where I'm going because I'm gonna run into somebody. Oh, there is another tree. I did forget about that. And it's over there in front of Once Upon a Toy. And then, of course, they got the Christmas tree trail. Yes, I will walk down it because you have to see it, guys. And the train is running again. I can't believe that train has been there since I was coming here back 25 years ago. That's so old. And there is Once Upon a Toy all decked out for Christmas. And I'm getting very close to the tree now. And they got something going on out here, but I'm not close enough to exactly tell what it is. Alright guys, there it is. One of the few Christmas trees here, right next to Once Upon a Toy. And this is another brand new section that I just found out about. We were advertising it on the Disney's buses. I guess this is something that's related to whatever you call it, Wreck-It Ralph.
Alright, Disney Springs, sing it out.
Because they got it advertised all over it. It's supposed to be a virtual reality experience. The Tim Tracker was just here the other night just to talk about it. They even got something from Star Wars Secrets of the Empire, another feature that is advertised on the bus. So if you want to try a really cool Disney virtual reality experience, this is the new place to do it at. I knew I had heard about it, I just didn't know this is where it was at. So that's kind of cool. This is kind of some of the advertisements that they have for the Void.
At this time, don't go nowhere. Do not leave it in, sir. We're looking at you. You're walking away. Sir, turn around. Sir, in the gray shirt, yes, you.
Yeah, we're looking at you there, sir.
We can see you. Turn back around.
All right, guys, welcome to the Christmas Tree Trail of Disney Springs. You'll see all kinds of cool Christmas trees. This one is monorail themed. It's got monorails all over it. That is actually really cool. And of course they drop snow, well, fake snow anyhow, bubbles, in certain spots on the trail, which is really weird. But cool at the same time. Got some smaller trees here, nothing as exciting. That one's really cool. It's got minis themed all over it. So this one is the Disney snack tree. I'm guessing because of all the Mickey pretzels on it. And then we of course got some more plain looking trees with just lights on it. And they're playing another Christmas song. I gotta pause it. So this Christmas tree is from Beauty and the Beast. That's kind of cool. And also just a warning, if you plan on rushing through here, don't bother because everybody's going to be in here taking pictures. And we got some other trees over here. We also got something from the Princess and the Frog. I'm not even trying to take pictures because everybody else is trying to take pictures too. And then of course, we got a snack and drink stand over here. I actually really wish I had done the very Merry Christmas party, especially since I've really been in the Christmas mood this year. Especially since it's my last year celebrating Christmas here in Florida. Oh well, it is what it is. Oh, we got some more Christmas trees over here. This one looks like it's from The Little Mermaid. That's kind of cool. This one is from Sleeping Beauty. And there's another one over here from Frozen. Let's get a little closer. So yeah, this one is from Frozen. You probably saw Olaf near the bottom. And that looks like Sven. That's kind of cool. This one is from Mulan. I get it because of all the flowers on it. And that's got a Chinese lantern in it. That's actually really pretty too. This one's obviously Snow White. I mean, obviously that's the poison apple right there. And then we got Dopey. Yeah? Yeah, that is true. That does look like Rudolph, doesn't it? So this one is from Alice in Wonderland. I like the 10 out of 6 hat on the top. And then of course, we got all the Queen out of Hearts minions all over it. And then of course we got the March Hare's clock right there. And then Alice and her box right there. Master Morrow, this is a shout out to you. The Haunted Mansion. If you haven't seen it yet, you have to come over here and see it. I love this tree. This is awesome. And we got the Attic Bride right there too. So due to the fact that there is a couple that is taking a picture, I am just going to show you guys the advertisement at the moment. Oh, I'm sorry, there was my finger right there. They have an advertisement for Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party, which is going to be running until next Friday. So make sure you get out there and check it out yourself before it's over. Okay, they are moving, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. So that is exactly what the castle is going to look like until early next January. So that's really pretty. So this Christmas tree is from Pinocchio, hence the hat on top. The next one is from 101 Dalmatians. That's supposed to be Gorilla's arm up top. I felt like I was trying to say Gru and Cruella at the same time. It became Gruella. And then of course there's a shout out to the Canine Crunchies commercial right there. So this is Cinderella, hence the glass slipper on the very top. And then of course it's got pumpkins all over it. How adorable is that? So this is not a very big tree, but this is the Disney villains tree. So this one is Dumbo, because you got part of Dumbo right there on the top. He's kind of hiding behind the tree. And then we got Peanuts hiding in the tree. Alright guys, I found my favorite Christmas tree. The Star Wars tree. They even got a lightsaber right over there. Alright guys, take a guess. Which Christmas tree is this? Okay, obviously, I gave it away. It's Robin Hood. It's not Brave, it's Robin Hood. And that would be the other hint I would have given you right there. So as much as I hate Tinkerbell, I'm going to show you guys the Robin Hood tree anyhow. It's actually very pretty. Yeah, they got Tinkerbell right there. I'm going to quickly pass over because I don't want to see it. love the tangle tree though. That's really cool. I love the glowing lanterns. That's awesome. There is one more tree to show you guys, but I wanted to show you. They sell gourmet flavored cotton candy, all natural flavors and colors. Gingerbread, candy cane, and eggnog for $5.49. All right over here. If I wasn't so full, that would sound great. Not to mention I already have tons of eggnog at home already, so I'm good. So false alarm, there was another tree. I guess the trail does go a little further after the Santa Claus meet and greet. This is the Jungle Book tree. That explains why there's so much fruit on it. So if you want to meet Santa Claus here at Disney Springs, it's only an hour wait. So I believe there is still a few more trees that I need to look at. This one and one more, if I'm not mistaken. This is the Muppets tree, and this is perfect because I just watched Muppet Vision 3D for the 50 zillionth time. And of course, that show is becoming a seasonal show now, which is very disappointing. I hope they don't get rid of it. I really hope they don't. So in celebration of the Mary Poppins Returns film, they do have the original Mary Poppins movie Christmas tree on display right here. So I believe the very last tree would be this one, the Fantasia Christmas tree. Look, it's snowing again. Last but not least, the Toy Story tree, which is perfect because I just transferred to Toy Story Land attractions. So I'm going to slip right through this area like everybody else is doing and show you more Christmas decorations. We're just about to pass by Rainforest Cafe in about 30 seconds, and then I'm going to take that really long bridge back over to World of Disney. Oh, they got more Christmas decorations over here. As I said yesterday, they may say Happy Holidays, I say Merry Christmas, but I love how they used Frozen. That is really cute. Oh, they got a giant Christmas wreath right out here. And more Christmas decorations. Oh, I love this. We're actually very close to the Christmas store right now, which was behind me, if I remember correctly. And then, of course, that I just went through it, but here's the sign for the Christmas tree trail for the entrance. As I'm heading towards the bridge, will take me back over by the World of Disney. I just got an alert on my phone. There is a severe thunderstorm watch near my home, which is in Lake Wales, Florida. So my dad was right that there was a major storm coming, but it's actually going to attack my home. Actually, it's not even out here. So even though I have my raincoat, we actually got the easiest part of it. Well, this area anyhow. So I picked a beautiful night to come out here and vlog. Now I am about to hit the 30-minute mark. Now that's a big deal, but that means that I should start to look into wrapping up my vlog soon. I did promise I'd go into World of Disney, and I'm going to keep my promise. And I'm going to go on there for a few minutes and show you guys if they made any changes, because I'm not even sure myself. And then I'm going to show you guys the news section briefly as I head out. And I'll show you guys the Christmas tree as well on top of that. I mean, look at that view right there. Isn't that gorgeous? That's why it's so worth staying at Saratoga Springs, because you would get that view. So I can see that they did make some improvements, and of course they did add on more Christmas decorations. So holy crap, there was diesel block. I am terrified right now. Anyhow, it does look a little brighter and more cheerful in here otherwise. They already got 2019 souvenir ready for the new year. They got some mugs and New Year autograph calendars. Yeah, all the autograph books and calendars. There's a long line to purchase stuff right now. This is all brand new. I like that digital background on the wall. Got a tractor right here in the corner. Alright, gotta pause for a second. Coming into the next room. This will be about all I show you guys for now. Well, they got more Christmas decorations over here. More merchandise. That's new. I don't remember that projection being there before. I think I saw something over here at one point. Way more Christmas decorations. This is the new and improved World of Disney. This is a lot better than the original one that I remember. Very bright, very colorful, very lively. I love this. Even the Disney, World of Disney, I should say, costumes have become better. I think I like it better here ever since they've improved it. I hope they do too. I mean, it's always going to be busy in here no matter what. It is what it is. I didn't like it in here that much when like 90% of the store was closed. It's unfortunate, but everything's back open again. It's great. I was trying to talk to some close friends of mine from Ontario to coming in here. So like, come on, I know you guys love this store. Like, you got to come in here. And I guess they never did. So, oh well. So I got in that cast member's way. I was like, sorry. I'm gonna slip out the side door here, and then I'm gonna finish up my vlogging. Showing you guys the new section, and then I'm gonna go home and see how bad the weather is while I'm heading out. The new Wawa did open out in Lake Lewis, Florida, finally. I may have or may not have talked about it before, but they just opened up a new Wawa over by the Eagle Ridge Mall, and it's not terribly busy. They still need to make some improvements, but everything that's new always has a bit of a rough start. Like, they didn't cut my sub. Usually they're pretty good about cutting people's subs. There was a guy this morning that was kind of interesting. He asked to have his breakfast sub cut into fourths. And I was thinking in my mind, okay, that's a little extreme, but okay. But yeah, and that side door actually dumped me right out here over by the news section. So I'm going to walk all the way down it, and then I'm eventually going to come right back to the movie theater and the bowling alley, go up, and at least my car is close to that entrance. And that's basically where I will end my vlog. But for now, let's check out these Christmas decorations. So of course they got Christmas decorations draped on the sides of these buildings. Well, some of them anyhow. We're over by the Lime parking garage at the moment. As you can see, this is another extremely busy section. I can't even decide what's the busiest anymore. They all starting to blend together. And then of course they got more Christmas decorations running from one building to the other. We got a few scattered here and there down that way. And then of course we're coming up to the Christmas tree of this section, which is the only other Christmas tree that I know about. They got some Christmas balls over here. Since my parents are getting the Christmas tree so late this year, I'm really hoping that we'll get to decorate it super quick. Even if it's like Sunday night or something. I know tomorrow night, this was very last minute. We're gonna go do the Living Nativity again, the drive-through Living Nativity. and it's actually going to be pretty warm tomorrow. So at least I won't be freezing to death. But I mean, it doesn't matter because we're going to be on our cart anyhow. So I'm going to vlog that again like I did last year. I don't know if my brother's going to join us on it. If he does, he does. If he doesn't, he doesn't. But I already told him I'm going to go with him. And I'm looking forward to showing that to you guys. We got more Christmas decorations over here. Up there, I love these lanterns. I mean, Disney Springs has a lot of Christmas decorations. I feel like they're trying to compete with Hollywood Studios. It's hard to say who has more, Hollywood Studios or Disney Springs. You guys decide. You guys saw my Flurry of Fun vlog. So, this one's pretty crazy too. And here is the other tree. This one's the tallest one in the whole area. See, I keep forgetting about this tree. Well, not this tree, but the other tree, the one over by Once Upon a Time, because I don't usually go out that way. But this one is easy to remember because this one is literally the first thing that our our bus guests see when they got off the bus and come into Disney Springs. So, and there was a few times I also took the bus myself and I would see it, or I would just happen to be walking by. And we got more Christmas balls over here. I don't actually know what to call these things, so I just call them Christmas balls. And they even decorate the palm trees. Yes, only here in Florida do we decorate our palm trees with Christmas lights because we're so Floridian like that. I try to be funny. I tried to anyhow. And as you can see, that was just the beginning because they keep going on and on and on all the way down. Actually, this would be a really good photo. All right. And of course, we got the reef in the background. That's really cool. I'm coming into another part of the new section. Actually, it's quieter over here all of a sudden. It may be a little busy in there, but this is actually the quietest section of the whole area I've seen. That's pretty crazy. They are building another parking garage, by the way. It is definitely going to be open by next year. I knew it wasn't going to be open by this year. That was pretty obvious. I'm kind of guessing what fruit they're going to call this time. I've been guessing possibly pineapple, maybe kiwi. Lime was another thought that came to my mind. I mean, there's definitely some possibilities because strawberry is the name of the parking lot. Orange is the first parking garage they ever built, and then lime is the newer parking garage they built. Oh, I just saw someone with something from Chicken Guy, so I'm getting ready to pass by there. I have not actually seen it yet, nor have I eaten there. So I don't even know if my cash discount would be good there. That would definitely be cool to eat at. I can't believe I've been vlogging for almost 40 minutes. And I've only been here for maybe an hour and a half. I'm just glad you guys didn't have to deal with me for the entire 90 minutes. Only I had to deal with me for the past 90 minutes. But there was so much to show you guys. The Christmas tree trail, the construction going on, World of Disney, all the Christmas decorations starting over here in West Side, working my way all the way around in one complete loop. And of course I was taking my time. And by the way, here is Chicken Guy. It is actually right here underneath Planet Hollywood. How convenient is that? And actually, I am just about to come to the 40-minute mark. And then, of course, we got more Christmas decorations and Christmas trees over here by the Coca-Cola store. I haven't actually been in the store in forever. I had a cup. I actually don't know where it went, but it doesn't matter anymore. It was cheap anyhow. It was like a few bucks. TJ, when he and I were friends, he would share his big Coke bottle that he bought, and it was about $10. But honestly, for a little less than $1 or so, we could both share a good amount of soda. Now, of course, I'm not much of a soda drinker these days, so it doesn't really matter. Speaking of which, that soda that I have in my refrigerator at home, I'm gonna have to get my brother to get rid of it. We got another band right over here. There's always something going on over here too, and it's not always a band like that. Oh, we got an advertisement for Mary Poppins Returns as I'm passing by the AMC Dine-In Theater, which I would love to do sometime, but it's extremely expensive, and I don't know if it's going to happen anytime soon, trust me. So more or less, I did come in complete circle as I'm passing by the ice cold beer stand and the Starbucks website, my favorite Starbucks here on Disney Springs property. But I do want to get another drink of water because I'm all talking. And I want to take another restroom break again before I head out because I'm about to get on the road. But my car is about 3 minutes away from here. Because I literally just have to walk over to that Splitsville over there. You can see in the background. And then turn left, and I'm like right there. So that being said, guys, I am out of here. Tonight was a blast. Honestly, just great coming back here again. It always is. Oh, the Flights of Discovery balloon is down, by the way. It usually is when there's bad weather. But anyhow, Lord willing, I will definitely vlog on Monday. And of course, you guys will see me tomorrow night when I do my drive-through Living Nativity. And I will definitely take lots of pictures at SeaWorld regardless on Monday. And I will have them all on my personal page, my personal Facebook page, and definitely the Theme Park of Angels Facebook page. If there's any pictures of my brother and I, obviously you're not going to see them. But if there's any pictures of just me, I'll post them. But more so than anything, I'm going to post scenery pictures and Christmas decorations. I'm super excited about Monday. I'm so glad that Publix gave me the day off because I haven't been in 6 years. I'm very disappointed I did not pass my classes, but I do have this reassurance that I get to do something exciting for all my artwork, despite the fact that I did not pass my classes. Anyways, guys, enough talk. It's already been over 40 minutes since I started my vlog. I'll see you guys in the next vlog, and always remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Have a great night. Peace out.